Welcome back to the channel. We really appreciate all our new subscribers. We just blew up these past 3 weeks. We want to thank all of y'all for subscribing. We got the old Hesston 1095, the John Deere 5101E. It's cutting real nice. It's coming out real beautiful. Well guys, this windrows are looking pretty nice there. They're up to my knees. Anywhere I walk, they're really nice windrows. I'm just unfortunately running out of fuel. So I will finish this up in the morning. So but beautiful grass, guys. Just beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful grass. Well guys, it's another day. I will come up tomorrow and finish this up. Again, this is a Hesston. An old Hesston. It's actually number 0008 out of the manufactured, so I mean I don't know how old that is, you know. I'm sure I could find out. Just to give you an idea of the windrows, guys. Look at that. I mean, yeah, they're nice windrows. So, again, I appreciate you guys supporting our channel. We really thank you all. We thank all our new subscribers, all our old subscribers, and a little hello to Nelson from IP Farms. Really heck of a nice guy I met over the internet. Always one of the first ones to come on and say hello or say something on the channel. Really appreciate you, Nelson. You encouraged us and really appreciate y'all. So I was thinking of Nelson because he's always saying that price equipment's pennies on the dollar. Well, this cutter cost me pennies on the dollar, and it's turned out to be a great cutter. Thank God. Little minor repairs, but it's done so good, and it cuts really well. So that's what we're doing, cutting some more Tifton 85, a little bit of Tifton mixed in with some coastal, and again, it was fertilized and flood irrigated. We are going to do some soil sampling soon. Hopefully we can figure out what we can put in here to offset that. Doesn't happen all the time. It happens when we get a little bit of rain, and we have been getting some rain. But those are some beautiful windrows. Look how tall they are. They're pretty high. There's a lot of grass in here.